Hi and welcome to TrendLog. In this video I will show you how to make a checklist in the Maintenance Planner. Open the Maintenance Planner by clicking on the button with the tools. Click on the arrow on the line containing your device and then select Edit. Add a checklist for the service task by clicking on the green plus. Write the name of the service job in the field marked To Do. In the field marked Description, you can describe the job. Click on the arrow to determine the type of registration the job will have. You can choose between checkbox, number, for example amount of fluids or weight, text, a field for notes, list, a list with a set of options to choose from, which you have decided. If you choose the list option, a text box appears where you can create your list. Place the mouse marker in the white field and start typing. Press Enter to add a new option. Click OK to save the list. Click on the green plus again to add more tasks to the checklist. You can rearrange the list by clicking on the job and then use the arrows to move the job either up or down. You can edit the checklist by clicking on the pen or delete a job by clicking on the red minus button. Now you know how to make a checklist in the Maintenance Planner. For more guides, please visit our website at www.trendlog.io.